Look at that spider legs. I think I found something. Is that it?
And my bedroom light and the microwave won't work.
Okay.
So it's
60 amp, I think. And this is the 100 amp going out and up there.
Like I said, changing this to 400 amp or something, that wouldn't do no good.
This would have been the perfect little road for the Nissan. How are we gonna get a work van up this, Greg?
Carry all the tools up.
Cut this driveway in. Yeah. And at some point, how do we get the gravel up here?
Dude, I've seen this place.
Fine, dude.
We'll just add that to the bill.
What happened?
Just a couple scratches. Is that a light on in there? Oh, he did say the power is on there. Heater right here. Well, let's keep it from the bus. What's that? There's a heater right here.
You said the well.
He said something was going on with the well.
Well, so there's another tank outside. I wonder where they're pulling it from.
I don't know, I saw that just a second ago. Look at that spider legs. Did you see that? Dude, those things are 2 inches long. Adam, where are you?
At the room.
Oh, this doesn't feel safe.
This is really cool. I went, what did I do recently? I went, what is it, zip lining?
Yeah.
And dude, the stairs were like this. They have like this spiral staircase, but like you're 60 whatever foot up and the planks are wobbling. And there's like, they're split down the middle. It's like so sketchy.
Holy cow. What's the lift for? I think it might have been a chandelier maybe?
I wish it could come down to you.
Did you see the spider legs in the stairwell?
The what?
Without a body. Just something ate the body.
Where?
On the stairs. Downstairs.
Come up here, look at the roof.
Does it see? Is he wanting, I wonder if he's wanting us to repipe this? Because that's all, like they've run, whoever's done this has run Romex on the wall. This would be a cool place to look at when it's not snowing.
The roof is much better.
Is it? This just doesn't feel safe.
There's no shot this house stays warm. You've got a wood door with a...
Well, it's not finished yet.
Yeah.
It's on me.
Yeah.
My bad. My
Think
bad.
through it a little bit, bud.
Not done.
I don't mind this. I bet during the day, not today.
Yeah, we couldn't have picked a worse day.
Is there anything up here?
Roof.
Just a rubber roof.
Is there a vent coming through the roof?
There's 2 vents.
PVC?
Yeah. Yeah, like they like bent up. And
God.
it's my favorite place. There's 2 right there, and they got Smurf pipe coming off over here. This looks like a tree house that just never stopped. You know?
It is pretty cool though.
It's what?
Stabbed myself in the face with that tree branch.
There's a whole tree there.
I think they're missing part of their roof right here, though.
I looked up, dude, from down there, and I was like, dang, this is just open.
Apparently they're remodeling this. I don't know if it was ever livable. I don't know, maybe at some point, but it looks like they just kept adding and adding floors because these are outside trusses. Yeah, pretty good one. What do you think, Stone? Did you look at did you find the well?
No, dude. I mean, it's definitely outside. It wasn't on the roof.
He said,
I see like water lines and stuff, but it's not real clear where they go. They just like cut and...
he texted me, when he was texting me about it the other day, he said, the well is in the metal building at the bottom of the driveway. There's
Oh,
a tower
dude.
at the house.
The one across the creek? There is a driveway to it off this though.
That's what I just stick my pump in that water.
Dude, they're probably gonna need a new water line. I mean, how serious are they about fixing this place? That water line's gonna be... You about to take them off at this point?
Well, there's pegs coming out. That's probably what I guarantee it's a paste converter of some sort. Somebody's already changed it once. That's your power.
That one?
Yeah.
Okay.
That power goes to the pump. The other power just
Is
in
there
the
a
dirt.
door on the back of this thing?
What did you say?
Door?
No. This is power. Dude, I'm not gonna lie to you. I almost wonder if it's under this freaking mess right here.
Could be. I didn't see anything behind the building.
I see that there's PVC and roll pipe going that way.
That's why I walked back there, but I didn't see anything. But I did see something coming out.
But right here's our power comes out and goes this way. Is there another like a? I didn't see anything here. Some of them have power in them, some don't.
And it's not even like, that's just like black roll pipe. It's not even, like how am I gonna know?
I think I found something.
Is that it? Move the plants. Hey, that's a heck of a. Nice. Motor line goes that way.
That doesn't look that old though.
What doesn't?
Like you got decent PVC connections. This obviously didn't pass any kind of a code.
Yeah, new well house.
I think
At least it's here. At least we found it.
Yeah. One of them is power coming. That one right there has power coming in, but it's coming from that way. It looks like.
Yeah.
But that wire that they've got down here, see this wire, that's what it looks like it changes to up there up top. Remember? I wish that driveway wasn't so bad. I'd turn around, and go back up it, and look at it again. Yeah. All right. Well. So well house.
Get this little girl out of the way or she'll be trying to run out of the house. Let me tell you, kind of give you a background. Okay. My furnace went out, okay? So standard heating came out. When it would be real cold, it wouldn't turn on. Well, it worked fine until yesterday morning. I got up and turned the heat up because I always turn it down at nighttime. But I have a problem. Monday, I was going to use the microwave and it kicked the breaker off. So I turned the breaker back on, but it doesn't work. But this light and my bedroom light and the microwave won't work.
Okay.
So it's got to be, I don't know. It has something to do with these heaters that I've been using when my heat went out.
Probably.
I don't, when I turn the circuit breaker on, I can't understand why I can't get the light in the living room and my bedroom.
Which breaker is it?
Beats. Which
Okay.
one went off?
Yeah. Which one was it?
This one
Okay.
flipped off.
All right. And you say okay.
But the microwave doesn't work. But I don't understand why the living room lights won't work and neither will my bedroom lights.
So this is for your microwave?
Yeah, but it's not plugged up.
Oh, let's plug it.
Here, this is, when I was using it, it kicked off and I thought maybe it was because of those heaters.
Yeah.
And you might be gonna tell me it's just the microwaves. Fuse box?
Yeah,
that
the
hit
panel?
Yeah, the panel.
What, like you want to upgrade it or?
Like, would it, well, it probably wouldn't, you know, I can take precautions.
Yeah, but yours it doesn't look that bad, you know.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay,
yours is not too bad.
okay,
Yeah, you ain't got much coming into it.
okay.
I don't think it'd be worth spending the money because that's not cheap. You know, it's a lot of labor.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay, well, thank you so much.
I like those jobs.
Yeah. She's 70.
That's
Crazy. She doesn't look 75 at all.
Heck no.
It's just her light bulb. More or less. It was just her light bulb. More or less.
A AirBNB guest house.
All right.
Of course, this is the main house.
Yeah.
They want to, and already started to enclose, they want to put a washer and dryer up there. And that's when I told them, I said, look, you got a 100-amp panel here, you got a range, you got a full house up there, heater, water heater, mini split system, all of that. And we got a mess over here as far as the service goes. Coming out of here, you can take the cover off. Coming out of here, there's a, the wire going to this house here, this part here into the house.
Yeah.
That's for the heat pump, 60 amp I think. And this is the 100 amp going out and up there. Let's see here. One of these. Well, that's all there. Hold on. Oh, I see it. Okay. All right, we got it. Thank you. How you guys doing over on that house in Hawksville? The one in Hawksville Estates right over here.
Yeah.
That's where I got you guys' information from.
All right, can we look at the guest house one too?
Yeah, all right. See here, this is the one that goes from here all the way over to that shop.
Okay.
I want to add a 50 amp dryer.
50 amp?
Isn't the dryer 50?
30.
30?
Yeah.
Okay, 30 amp dryer and a 20 amp washer.
What is this?
The 50?
Stove or hot water heater?
Yeah. Hot water heater? No, I think that's a stove.
Okay, that's probably the hot water heater.
Yeah, that's a stove. Yeah, they got
Okay. All right.
This is where we're going to put the washer and dryer. It's going to go in here. Oh, they got a lot. It's just a little room for stackable washer and dryer.
Okay.
That's not been run yet, no.
Want us to run that too?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna go over here on the side and look.
There's the service coming up, and there's the thing, and then the panel's all the way on the other side. Yeah, see, we got the pool pump on that circuit too, on that panel. I think it goes up in the wall there.
Yeah, it does right there. If we do a service upgrade, you know, that's not gonna change. You know, if that, I would think that you've got enough power up there to add that stuff. Well, I'll ask him to see what he thinks, but.
You think we got enough? The cable from here to there is of adequate size.
That's what I was saying, you know, if it's not enough, you know, then basically you'd have to run a new cable.
Right, and that's,
Yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
that's my question. Someone needs to
Let me see what size this one.
say, I think it's copper conductor, if I'm not mistaken, which is a good thing, I guess.
Yeah.
There too. I guess then could we, if the cable is of adequate size, could we then change out the panel box to get us more spaces in the panel up there?
Well, we could, if it's enough, you know, like I said, I'll see what he thinks. But if it's enough, I'd probably just put some piggyback breakers in. I don't know
Yeah, that's okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
That would be easier than, that's a little cheaper than changing that
Yeah,
whole panel.
I totally understand that, yeah.
That'd be a lot more. But yeah, let me talk to him, and then I'll give you a call.
Okay.
And tell you what he thinks,
All right.
and then we can go from there and figure out whatever you want to do. But like I said, changing this to 400 amp or something, that wouldn't do no good. Well, we'll head on to the next one. Like I said, I'll give you a call here shortly whenever I get time to
Okay,
talk to
all
him
right.
and
Yeah, talk to him,
see what he thinks about it.
whatever it takes, but
Yep.
we just want to make sure we do it right when we add
Yep.
all that extra amperage up there, and
Absolutely.
like I say, that's an AirBNB, and we don't
Yeah.
want any. They had everything turned on in the house
Yeah, all at the same time.
all at the same time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That'll do it.
So, but
Alrighty.